Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video I'm going to go ahead and show you how to connect your PC speakers to your PlayStation 4. So let's go ahead and jump to the video right now. So do you want to go ahead and play your PlayStation and get the game sound coming through your PC speakers? Well, this is very easy to do. So for your PC speakers, you're going to have a cable that will connect to the back of your monitor that will look like this. And this is just a 3.5 millimeter cable. So let's go ahead and go to the back of my computer and take my PC speakers and connect them to my monitor right now. Alright, so here is the back of my computer, and right here is my PC speaker. And I'm going to go ahead and take this and connect it to my monitor where my PlayStation 4 is connected. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and connect this cable to this little hole. Now you can see there is a little like headphone symbol here, or I might say like output. So connect this 3.5 millimeter cable to this hole right here. And it is now in. Let's go to the front of my monitor now. And I have Minecraft on the screen. Let's select Minecraft. Let's see if we can get some audio now. Okay, so I'm playing Minecraft right now. And as soon as I connected the audio cable, it was working right away. So let's go ahead and turn this up a little bit. And you can hear the magma crackling sound in Minecraft. I can go ahead and put more down. So I'm able to turn up my speaker. And it works right away. Now you may have to go ahead and go to your audio settings by pressing the PlayStation button and then going to the top screen and going to settings and then going down to devices and then going to audio devices. Make sure your output is set to TV or amplifier to go ahead and get the audio sound. Otherwise it may not be working for you guys. And this is the back of my Samsung TV. As you can see, this has an audio out right here where you can go ahead and connect your speaker to. This is actually connected to my soundbar, which is, just an external speaker by itself. So go ahead and just look for options like that on the back of your TV. So if this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.